Hey guys, let me show you how to edit permissions in a Mac. Um, Generally, you'll come here and you're going to see if you boot from another user or another hard drive, you're going to find that the user folders generally are not going to allow you to access them. They're going to have a little red dot. Most of these I've already done, so I'm going to show you this one in here. You can see this in this iCloud drive. You see this desktop icon. It's got the little red dot. But typically all these are going to have those red dots. Like I said, I already did all those and decided to do the video now. So what you're going to do is, whichever one has the red dot, you're going to right click or two-finger click, get info. This sharing panel down here is the one that you're going to access. If it's closed, you're going to click that, just open it up, and it tells you there who's got access to it, right? So we don't have access to it. Christian Aguilar is the the user there. So we're going to click on this lock down here to unlock it, put your password, and this is the current user that we have right now. It's going to unlock. Then we're going to hit this plus at the bottom, so we're going to add ourselves. We're going to go to my Mac user, and we're going to select that. Then we're going to come down here to this gear that we're going to apply to enclosed items, and then we're going to hit OK, and then you're going to see the little circle came off, and then you're able to click and open up. I mean, there's nothing in there, but that's how you would do that. It's pretty straight up, pretty simple. Let's do one more real quick. See, like for example, let's say this document folder. If you click on it, it says you don't have permission, you can't access it. Two-finger click or right click, get info, unlock, add my Mac, which is the current user that I have here on this unit, apply. And just a little note, when you're adding these, I added myself just as read-only because I'm just going to be dragging stuff, but there's also read and write permission as well. So you can, if you do need read and write, you can adjust that. Okay, I just did read-only, and you'll see that other one also came off. Is there anything in there? There's nothing in there anyways. Alright guys, thanks for watching.